Now we're going to have a look at object destructuring. This is a simple function that returns an object literal containing a vehicle's details. We then log out the vehicle in a string template again. Let's change this to use object destructuring now. We specify a literal. In here we say that we want the make attribute from the return of the function to be mapped onto a new variable called the make. The same for model. Now we can use these two variables in the string template. This gives us a very succinct way to assign variables from a complex object. This function takes one parameter called args. Then it uses attributes from that argument and spits it out to the console. To call this function, we specify an object literal containing the expected attributes. What I don't like about this is that it's not immediately clear what attributes are expected on the args. You actually have to go and have a look at the log statement to go and see what attributes to specify on the args parameter. Now there is a way with vanilla JavaScript to make this a bit more clear. You can specify local variables and pull the attributes from the args parameter onto those local variables. Now we can use these local variables in our string template. This makes it way more clear. But with ES6, there's a better way to do this, using destructuring on our parameter. We specify very similar to the previous object destructuring, that we want the variables to be mapped onto local variables in this way. So I'm mapping make to the make, model to the model, and color to the color. We change the string template to use these variables, and we get exactly the same result. But this is way more expressive. This is by far my favorite use of destructuring.